Hey there, fellow travelers. Planning a trip to Mexico? I've got you covered with some must-know travel hacks to make your adventure smooth and memorable. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk packing. Mexico has diverse climates, from sunny beaches to cool highlands. So, pack layers. Bring lightweight clothing for the day and a light jacket for cooler evenings. And don't forget your sunscreen and a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is key, especially in those hotter regions. Next, finding cheap flights. Always be on the lookout for deals. Use flight comparison websites like Skyscanner and set up price alerts. Flexibility is your friend. If you can, avoid peak travel seasons and book midweek flights for the best rates. Now, let's talk about those essential travel apps. Download Google Translate for easy communication. Trust me, it'll be a lifesaver. Another must-have is Maps.me. It works offline and is perfect for navigating those charming cobblestone streets. And don't forget Uber or Didi for safe and reliable transportation. Speaking of safety, always stay informed. Check travel advisories and local safety guidelines before you go. Register with your embassy for updates and keep a copy of important documents like your passport and travel insurance handy. And always be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded places. Want to immerse yourself in local culture? Learn a few basic Spanish phrases. Mexicans appreciate the effort, and it can really enhance your experience. Plus, it's a great way to make new friends. Let's not forget about food. Mexico is a food lover's paradise. Be adventurous, but cautious. Street food is delicious, but make sure it's cooked fresh to avoid any tummy troubles. And always go for bottled water or use a portable water filter. Avoid ice unless you're sure it's made from purified water. Lastly, make the most of your trip by planning ahead, but staying flexible. Have a rough itinerary, but leave room for spontaneity. You never know what hidden gem you'll stumble upon. And remember, the best travel stories often come from unplanned adventures. All right, those are my top essential travel tips and hacks for Mexico. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your own tips, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We post new travel destination videos every Tuesday and Friday. Safe travels, and hasta luego.